The most dreadful topic is here. Mathematics. The subject which many students leave after their 10 plus 2 and feel that never it will haunt them back. But the moment they sign up for any competitive exam, any higher degree, any career progression program, they realize that they have to face this subject again, once again. That's why I said, oh my God. Why study maths? As a biology student, why should we study? And that's something which we must talk about. All right, this subject we have shunned in our school. Why the hell study it again? Now let me explain that to you. When you are doing any kind of experiment in biology, you need to record the readings. You need to analyze the data and report your findings, your results. Now, out of 100 times, the data which you find out will be in a mathematical format, be it a graph or a table or a pie chart or a bar chart, whatever. You will have to conclude on the basis of these mathematical terms. So you need to make maths your friend. But I know maths sounds like crazy, climbing Burj Khalifa via staircase, isn't it? Yes, it sounds that tough. Now that brings us to the next question of the day. And that is how to overcome this mental block that mathematics is hard. How do we convince our brain that it's okay, it's easy, let's study? So first things first, let me clarify that. No student is a bad student. It's a teacher who has to innovate to teach every student in a personalized way, in a different way. But you see, when we all were in school, we were a part of a big crowd, a herd of 40 students in one class. And if one student understood that concept, the teacher will quickly move on to the next concept, next topic. And that created havoc in our mind, that how can I say I have not understood while others are saying that they have understood. Now that fear of childhood has now transformed into a mental block that keeps telling you, you cannot improve your maths. I know a lot of people who say that. So let me outline a few steps which will help you remove this fear from your mind. And I'm going to talk a lot about maths, a lot about how to make a career in maths plus biology and how to excel at it. So start with number 1. Start from A to reach Z. Now, let me ask you a question. Did you study the entire alphabet, that is A to Z, in one day when you were a child? No, right? Same way, you cannot become a master of advanced mathematics in one day. So you have to start from A to reach Z, from basics to latest. So don't feel ashamed of it. I myself started studying maths again at this age when I felt I was forgetting concepts. It's all right to go back to your basics. It's all right, it's okay. Don't be ashamed about it, okay? Now, number 2, you don't need advanced mathematics to survive in biology. Yes, you heard it right. Even if you know basic maths, and if you have good calculation speed, if you are able to interpret data correctly, then you can easily survive. So there is no need to panic if you don't remember or know algebra, calculus, trigonometry, stuff like that. That won't disturb you at all. What matters is basic maths, addition, subtraction, division, BODMAS formula. Now let's come to the main topic, which is what to study. Again, so I have made a basic list of basic math topics which will help you to get started. If you are scared of maths today, this list will certainly help you. Okay? So the first is number system. Start with number system. Second is speed maths. Once you have studied number system, go with speed maths. Then go for probability. Okay? Then go for calculus. If you can still study, go for linear equation. Further to that, you should always study statistics, very important. Study linear algebra, very important again. And data interpretation, super important, because all the research findings will be in form of data, bar graphs, stuff like that. Logarithms, important. Basic concepts of physics and chemistry, very important, because at the end you have to stand at the boundary of physics, chemistry, and maths and biology. So now let's understand what kind of jobs you can get after mastering maths while you are a major in biology, because ultimately we all look for a job or a company we want to start, whatever. So I want to talk about current opportunities, okay? But more than that, I'm more interested in what kind of opportunities will come in the future, okay? Anyways, the current opportunities you can talk, you can check on Biotecnika. So let me talk about the future benefits of knowing maths, which is very important at this juncture, because we're standing in 2021 and I want to make you prepared for 2030, okay? So number one, quantum biology and quantum chemistry is going to come up, okay? This is an evolving field and you will see great benefits if you have maths with biology. Okay, so quantum biology, quantum chemistry is where your future can be if you know maths. The second one, which I feel is important, super important, is artificial intelligence in biology. This is an evolving field. Again, requires you to know the basic maths and programming. So if you don't know maths, you cannot know programming, right? So it's very, very important to know maths. It's very important to know programming, and that's where you can capture AI. Number three, bioinformatics. Now, maths will come very handy here. Can we write this as having a good understanding of mathematical concepts will make bioinformatics easy, fun to work? Yes, it makes it easy, it makes it fun to work, and that's why I'm saying that you must know maths if you want to become a bioinformatician. Number four, drug discovery, pharmacology, pharmacokinetics, mathematical modeling, all this. Now, mathematical concepts will be very helpful here, okay? Number five, like I said, biostatistics. Now, of course, as the name suggests, it's full of maths, data interpretation. So if you want to become a major in biostatistics, then this is the field to master mathematics, okay? Now let's talk about the books which you should refer at this age. Suppose you have left maths for past 5-7 years, you want to go back to maths. So I'm going to tell you about one of the best ways to study maths while you are a biology student, okay? Some links I'm going to include in the description as well to check that out. So the first tip I can give you is go to Amazon website and look for basic maths books. Download their ebook samples, read them and see if you like the language, okay? And if you like it, then only buy it. Another important thing which you can look for is basic math books. So just go and type basic maths book, which has the best reviews, and then download the samples for that. And for your help, like I said, I'm including a list of basic maths book below in the description. Do check it out. That will certainly help you. Okay, so it's time not to be scared of maths. Go one step at a time. Okay, so now let's talk about the jobs in mathematics plus biology. So if you have a good grip of maths plus biology, you will get better. So I've always said, you want to succeed in life, then you'll have to stand at the boundaries of science, arts, and commerce. Okay, science, arts, and commerce. In short, you need to study interdisciplinary subjects like AI and biology. Okay, you need to know how to commercialize them. That's also very important. So if you want to make a career in maths plus biology, then you can get a job in various companies, okay, in various fields. Now let me tell you the fields. So the first field is biophysics. Of course, you can make a career in biophysics. You can make a career in bioengineering and biomedical devices. On the top of it, you can make a career in astrobiology, upcoming field. Quantum biology, a field of 2030. Drug discovery, a field of today. And of course, pharma companies, pharmacology, pharmacokinetics, bioinformatics companies, you can get a job there easily if you have a good grip of maths plus biology. Of course, government jobs like jobs in epidemiology department, population ecology department, such places you can get a job. But you need to have a good grip of maths, okay? So there you have it. Today, we have tried to include every possible aspects of maths for biology students. However, I know you still will have some fears, still you will have some questions. So you know the drill. Scroll down, ask a query in the comment section. Our team will try to respond to you as soon as possible. And if you want some urgent query to be answered, any query, please dial us on our toll-free number 1-800-1200-1818. So let's help you love maths while you are majoring in biology, because it's very important now. So how do we do that? One concept at a time, one student at a time. That's all for now, guys, and see you all in the next video. Do let me know how easy you feel now about maths and how can we help you more. Signing off, Shekhar Suman, Biotecnika. Bye-bye.